how to connect JustMarkets to MetaTrader 5. So here's what you want to do. You want to load up the MetaTrader 5 app and then just go back to this screen, the home screen, and then click on settings in the bottom right corner. Now from here we will add a new account, so click on new account, and then brokers we will search for JustM, and it's going to show us Just Global Markets and JustMarkets Ltd. So depending on whichever broker you want to connect, you will choose that one, and server, leave it like so, and here you can log in using your login name and password, and also you have the option of saving your password. So after you have done this, you will just click on sign in at the bottom. That's an invalid account. I just created a sample, and that's going to connect JustMarkets to MetaTrader 5. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.